Ashhadu Allah ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, and Prophet Muhammad is the messenger and servant of Allah. Takbir! 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 MashaAllah, sisters, we welcome you to the fold of Islam, and we welcome you to the family of 2 billion Muslims. MashaAllah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant you Jannat al-Firdaus. And sister, all your past sins have been forgiven, and I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He help you to guide the others. MashaAllah, these are tears of joy. You came here for dunya, and Oman gave you akhirah.
No one guide me, because I don't have parents anymore. They passed away long time ago, and I don't have sisters and brother.
MashaAllah, no one guided her. Allah is the best to guide. Allah guided you to Oman. Inshallah, we pray that you get Jannat al-Firdaus. Allah says in the Quran, you may hate a thing which is good for you, you may love a thing which is not good for you. Allah knows you don't know. So what you didn't like before made you come here, and because of that thing which you didn't like, now you have got something which is million times, billion times more precious, that is Jannah. What's happening actually, these sisters are inspiring others. And because of the other sisters are getting inspired. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward all of you. MashaAllah. 2 more. I think we should change the question and answer session to Shada session.
MashaAllah. That is good.
MashaAllah. This is
Alhamdulillah.
This is the barakah of Oman.
Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah.
Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah. The tally has gone to 12.
12.
First day 1, second day 19, now it is 12. Totally 32, MashaAllah.